Hi, I would like to invite you in to learn all about short rows. Short rows are probably one of my favorite knitting techniques. I think the reason I like them so much is that it really is such a versatile technique and allows you to do so many different things in your knitting without ever changing your stitch count. Now, when I learned short rows for the first time, it was completely by accident. The pattern didn't call it out as short rows. It just said, do this with your knitting. And then it was after the fact that I realized what I'd been doing was creating short rows. And you may have had that experience with short rows as well. And then after the fact realized that, oh, I've actually done them before. Now, you may also fall into the other camp where short rows absolutely terrify you. I know for a lot of knitters, just the words short rows fill them with fear and will actually avoid a pattern that calls out for short rows. If you fall into this camp, then this class is definitely for you. We're just going to break down the mystique of short rows and explain exactly what they're all about. I'll go through lots of different possible techniques that you can use for creating short rows. I'll show you how to substitute one for another, and then finally we'll look at different ways you can use them in your knitting, different places that you can either add them in or possibly, places where you might want to modify a pattern very slightly to be able to use short rows in that particular situation. So if you want to open up the world of short rows, just come on into this class and join me.